What's up, everybody? It's the Collector, and we're about to do a special unboxing here for you, which is why I had to pull out the old tripod stand there. And so, if you can see there, right, main warehouse, Four Horsemen. Been waiting on this for about a year and a half. So, little backstory to what I'm opening up. I'm definitely a nature buff, love bears, and so this, as soon as they announced it, was definitely a must because it is Bodvar. And I'm sure there's probably a glare from the light, so don't worry, we'll be taking him out of the box there soon. See Bodvar's mark down there. Very nice detail right here on the back of the box. There's a little blurb. I'm not going to read it for you. You can look it up if you're really that worried about it. Another little blurb, not going to read it for you. That's okay. So, I'm here to open this guy. So without further ado. Oh wow, he's heavy. Alright. Man, that's cool. Got a really neat background in there, but this is the main event, man. All right, so plastic prism time. Let's get all these little ties undone here. And this is not my first Mythic Legions, Four Horsemen, whichever branding you want to identify it as, piece. I've got a few of their trolls, and they wrap that underneath there. That makes absolutely no sense. I swear, some of these toy companies act like these toys need to be shipped like they're valuable, precious mother's china or something. It's like, once you get it in the package, I feel like, that's kind of the extent of the security needed. I'm just gonna have to cut these because that's just really annoying and kind of stupid. So, anyways, bet y'all didn't know that, these things were ultra valuable that needed to be secured, like I said, mother's fine china. Alright, so, now that we've dealt with the security features and two-factor authentication to open the damn box. My God, that's a bit ridiculous. All right, so we got some extra claws in there. Boom, goodbye. Those are super cool, actually. Really nice detail. You can see they painted the pads differently, the fur in between. The claws are a different color. Really nice wash down there in between the fur. Really nice claws there. Checking out this extra vicious head sculpt here. We got, I'm sure there's some type of up and down articulation, but it's looking like we're only getting a rock out of it. Side to side, up and down right now in a rotation. I'll have to explore that later to see if we get any other movement out of there. And then looking at Bodvar, man, this is really nice details in this saddle. I mean, you got riveting, you got rivets down in between the individual pleats on the cushion, different textures, different colors, really nice metal detailing. This is actual metal on his reins here, attached to his halter, because obviously Bodvar is, forgive me, I don't remember the name of it, but he's basically, the kind of mount for one of the guys from the House of the Noble Bear. And so, there we go, we got a little bit of up and down action here on the head and the neck. So again, not totally sure how to swap that out yet. I'm going to look into that before I go popping anything off. You can see there's multiple layers in the neck here, giving you some decent articulation. And then, on the legs, a little bit stiff, ratcheted joints. Again, gonna definitely heat this guy up a little bit before I go messing with him too bad. But that is Bodvar. He's pretty badass. Y'all have a good one. Stay collecting out there.